checking in.
Hi there, welcome to the check-in desk. Are you flying to Tokyo today?
Yes, I am. My flight is to Narita.
Great. Can I please see your passport and flight confirmation?
Of course, here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, I have 2 bags.
All right, please place them on the scale for me.
Okay, here they are.
It looks like they're both within the weight limit, which is perfect. Are you all set with a seat?
I'd love a window seat if there are any available.
Let me check for you. Yes, I can get you a window seat. How does 23A sound?
That's perfect, thank you.
Here is your boarding pass and a copy of your luggage receipts. Your gate is 45, and boarding starts at 1:30 p.m.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful flight to Tokyo.
Thanks, you too.
Asking for directions.
Hello there, can I help you with something?
Yes, please. I'm a bit lost and I need to find the security checkpoint.
No problem at all. Do you have a boarding pass?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Your gate is in Terminal 3, so you'll need to go through the security checkpoint for that terminal.
Okay, how do I get there from here?
Just go straight ahead past the check-in counters. You'll see a large sign for the security checkpoint right in front of you.
So straight ahead?
That's right. Just follow the signs.
Great, thank you. One more thing, is there a coffee shop nearby?
Yes, there are a few. Are you looking for a specific one?
Not really, just the closest one.
Okay, the closest one is right after you pass through security. You'll see a big cafe on your right.
Perfect. Is it open this early?
Yes, it is. Most of the cafes here open around 4 a.m.
Wonderful, that's great news. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a safe flight.
Thanks, you too.
Security check.
Hello there, please place your belongings in the trays provided.
Okay, so everything goes in a tray?
Not quite. You need to take out any electronics and liquids.
What about my laptop?
Yes, your laptop needs to come out of its case and go into a separate tray by itself.
And my tablet?
Your tablet should also come out and be placed in a tray.
Got it. What about my belt and shoes?
Yes, please remove your belt and shoes and place them in a tray as well.
Do I have to take off my jacket?
Yes, your jacket needs to go in a tray too.
All right. What about my keys and wallet?
Please empty your pockets and place all of those items in a tray.
So, everything from my pockets, all electronics, my belt, shoes, and jacket. Is that right?
That's correct. Once you're ready, please walk through the scanner.
Okay, thank you for clarifying everything.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Thanks, you too.
At the gate.
Excuse me, do you know if our flight to Madrid is boarding soon?
I'm not sure. I think they said boarding would start in a few minutes. Let me check the board again.
Thanks. I'm on a business trip and I've been running around all morning. I'm starving.
Same here. My boarding pass says my seat number is 15B. What about you?
I'm in 15C. Looks like we're next to each other.
Oh, perfect. That's good to know. It's a long flight.
It definitely is. Do you think we have time to grab a snack?
It's risky. The boarding time says 11:30 and it's already 11:15.
I guess it depends on how fast we can get something and get back.
There's a small shop right around the corner from the gate. Maybe we can try that.
Sounds like a plan. I just want to grab a bottle of water and a bag of chips.
Me too. Let's make it quick.
Agreed. We don't want to miss our flight.
Exactly. Let's go.
Great. I'm right behind you.
This way.
On the plane.
Hello, is everything alright? You seem to have a question.
Yes, thank you. I was wondering if it's okay to use my phone now.
You can, but please switch it to airplane mode. You can't use cellular data while in the air.
Oh, okay. So no calls or texts then?
That's right. The Wi-Fi will be available soon after we reach cruising altitude, though.
Great, that's good to know. And what about reclining my seat? Is that allowed?
Yes, you can recline your seat, but please do so gently and be mindful of the person behind you.
Will do. I don't want to hit anyone in the knees.
Thank you, we appreciate that. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes, could I get a glass of water, please?
The beverage service will begin shortly. I'll make a note to bring you a water as soon as we start.
Perfect, thanks so much.
You're welcome. Is that all for now?
Yes, that's all.
Enjoy your flight.
Thanks, you too.
Landing.
Did you hear that? The captain just announced we're starting our descent.
Oh, good. I'm ready to be on the ground. It's been a long flight.
I know, right? I'm so excited to finally be in Rome.
Me too. I've been looking at the travel guide the whole flight.
Me too. The captain said we should be landing in about 20 minutes.
I'm not a fan of the landing process. It always feels a bit bumpy.
I know what you mean. The air gets a bit turbulent sometimes.
I'm just looking forward to getting off and stretching my legs.
Me too. Did you manage to fill out the landing forms they handed out earlier?
I did. I'm glad I had a pen on me.
I had to ask the flight attendant for one. I always forget.
I've learned my lesson from a few years ago. It's a lifesaver.
For sure. Are you connecting to another flight or staying here?
I'm staying in Rome for a few days. What about you?
I'm just here for a quick business trip. Then I'm off to Milan.
Oh, nice. Well, hopefully the landing is smooth.
Passport control and customs.
Good morning. Please state the purpose of your visit.
Good morning. I'm here for work.
May I see your passport and your visa, please?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
Thank you. How long will you be staying in the country?
I'll be here for 10 days.
What is the name of the company you are visiting?
I am visiting a client, JTech Corporation.
And where will you be staying?
I'll be at the Grand Hyatt Hotel in Shibuya.
Do you have anything to declare?
I have a laptop that I'm bringing with me for work. Is that something I need to declare?
No, a personal work laptop does not need to be declared.
That's a relief. Thank you.
You're welcome. Welcome to the country. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
Baggage claim and arrival.
Hey, do you see a red suitcase with a yellow ribbon? I don't see mine.
No, I haven't seen it yet. Are you sure you're on the right carousel?
Yes, I am. I've been watching the bags go by for 20 minutes now. It's definitely not here.
It's a shame. Did you want to go find the lost luggage office?
Yes, I do. Do you know where it is?
Yeah, it's over by the far end of the terminal, past the last carousel.
Thanks, I'll go check it out.
I hope you find your bag. I know how frustrating this can be.
Thanks, me too. I can't believe this is happening.
Did you want me to come with you to the office to help you out?
That'd be great. I would really appreciate the company.
No problem at all. We can figure it out together.
So after this, what's the best way to get to the city center from here?
The train is the fastest way. It's right outside the terminal.
Perfect. Let's get this sorted out, and we can head over there.